In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to trade Memecoin using Phantom Wallet. So as you can see, this is the screen and this is Phantom Wallet. So my Phantom Wallet, I'm going to simply go to this particular bar that says search. I'm going to click on this, and in this space, I can use Phantom Wallet to look for the currently trading Memecoins that I can trade. The method I'm using is really very simple, and it is a proven method that it is profitable. As you guys can see, this particular coin is currently trending right now. This trendy coin is currently trending. This called ORB, a market cap is about 270k market cap. All I need to do is to come over this corner. This is this corner, right? I'm going to click on the search. I'm going to search for this particular token ORB. So guys, I've searched it. This is a particular token. I'll open it up in a new tab, and I'm going to check this particular token if it is worth trading, because you can see it is currently trading, right? So guys, this is a particular token. I want to open it up in a full screen. I would like to check the apex. This one goes to 800k market cap, then down to 200k market cap, and this is like kind of the low at this particular moment. And guys, as you can see, this coin is currently trendy. This coin is currently trendy because there are people actively buying and selling this particular coin. Okay, so in the last 5 minutes, we have about 63 transactions, 3k volume. So as you can see, with dexscreener, with Phantom Wallet, we're able to look for currently trading meme coins that you can potentially buy, get. So let's just see another thing. Before you trade meme coin, this is what I do. I put in this particular filter, I put in greater than $100 and see if people putting in large amount of money to this particular token. And if they are, that means that people are interested in this particular coin. But the coin is currently trending at the moment, so might be a good coin to purchase. And this is like the down kind of below, like in understand this is not like the top of the market but below the market. So let's say you can say use something to look for another meme coin that we can potentially trade. And guys, if we want to trade this particular meme coin, let's see, this is going OB, and let's say this particular one Brunei is also trending and this one is also trending. So it's really very simple. If I click on symbol, I'm going to see all the coins that's currently trending at the moment. Get, and if you're interested in any of them, simply open them up in dexscreener and you find your entry, and then it's about to trade this particular one right now. All I need to do is simply copy the contract address from this particular place. And once I copy the contract address, I'll open up Phantom Wallet. And the next thing I'll be doing is simply coming to this particular place and say click on this place. And wait, so no, I'm going to click on this particular place. I'm going to click on go to sites. So I'm using any of these particular sites to trade this particular token, either Jupiter or Radium. There's Radium. It should be among Radium. These are two sites I can use to trade Memecoin and Phantom Wallet. So if I click on Jupiter, it's going to load up Jupiter for me. And guys, before we continue, if you haven't seen this video helpful, please do it to give it a like. If you are new, subscribe button the icon. So on Jupiter, the first thing to do is to connect your wallet. So click on connect, click on Phantom Wallet. It's just clean, but I don't want to connect to Phantom Wallet. So once I've connected my wallet, it's connecting. What we're doing is you're going to see selling and buying on this particular place. Because before I explain this, let me ensure my wallet is being connected first. Let me see, it's still connecting. As you can see, you have selling and buying. Get, okay, my wallet is connected, right? You have selling and buying. Get, you can see this is my wallet balance. I can see all this particular place. So right now it says I'll be selling USDC to buy what? To buy this particular token. If you want to buy Solana, you can use to buy Solana, but if you want to buy the particular token, you click on this place. I'm going to paste the wallet address. I'm going to paste the contract address I copy in this particular place. This is the token, right? So as you can see, I'll be selling this particular token to buy this. If I want to use half, I'm going to click on half and see the amount I'm going to buy. If I'm interested in buying it, I'm going to click on swap this. I'll simply buy the particular token. And also, if you want to sell, you just need to alternate it. Token that you want to be selling be on the top, and token that you want to get after selling, you want to save this token to USDC. You can click on the maximum and you can simply set the token, convert it to what USDC or Solana. So guys, that's how easy it is. So you can also use Rhythm to do this. You can also use the from Phantom Wallet is basically is majorly uh, Jupiter and Rhythm that you can use to do this particular one. But with Phantom Wallet, you can use Phantom Wallet to get currently trending Memecoin. Get can you click currently trending Memecoin and you can see because our Memecoins are currently trending on this particular place that even if we go to the dexscreener home screen, let's clear this off. Go to the dexscreener home screen, you might not see this particular token yet. You might not see what is in the top 8 right here get, but with Phantom Wallet you can easily get to see the currently trading meme coin, and with this it's going to give you an edge yet, especially if you don't know how to make use of this screen to search for tokens. So if I click on this symbol, right, you're going to see different tokens. These are the ones that are currently trading in the past 24 hours, which OB is at the top. Then we have this particular one, Sachet, and this. So to make money from make coin, you need to look for coins that are trending. So at the moment, I put in the last 1 hour. There are coins that are trending in the last 1 hour. We have Boots, KitKat, OB, Get. These are the ones that are collecting. So if you be trading at the moment, you can trade any of these personal ones because with this one you can easily get at least 2x or 5x because you're seeing movement in this coin. Get. We also have Ghost. We have sometimes USDC. And guys, I'd like to give a warning that you should not trade this coin that's on this particular video. This all be both kicker. You should not go and trade this particular coin because by the time you might get to see this video, these coins might have gotten to zero. You get this coin might have gotten to zero. If you don't know, the lifespan of Memecoin is very simple. Once they get to their apex, the next is the slowly die. So as you can see, this coin has gotten to their apex. It went down, then apex again, then it went down. If people are no longer interested in this particular coin, it won't go up again. It will just go down and like that. It's going to die off again. But if people are still interested in this particular coin, that is when this coin is going to make a steady run. Because it has made set 2 1, first one, then down, second one, down. People are still interested in this particular coin, it might still make a steady run because it's about to make a steady run now because the coin is literally on farm to wall. I think people are still interested in that was going to make this particular trade. By the time I get to see this video, this coin might have died down. So I don't recommend you buying any of these particular coins that I'm currently talking about in this particular video. But you can join my Telegram and WhatsApp community for updates. Great. So guys, this is for this video. If you find it helpful, please do to like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.